Well, hello everybody. How you ladies doing today? Alright, so I went through. This is the green. It's an off-brand green. I don't remember where it was from. But I used it for the Grinch's hands at Christmas time. And so we're on our last bit of partials, you guys. And we're using it with Flora Good Time. I am happy with this, actually, just like this. But we're going to jazz it up a bit. A little bit. This was a bunch of twosies I had. Little random one-offs laying around. I don't even know for sure what's in here. Or what condition they're in, you know. Ooh, that one's pretty. Okay. So I want to, let's see, let's save the thumb and do the pinkers. Okay, this one is going to be a V-tip. And it'll just be a peak, a little peak of the green. Well, these are nice and fresh for being a bunch of random bits. I should have not done my thumbs, but it's too late now, you guys. Alright. Let's just nip it, because my thumb is not able to clean it up. There we go. Okay. I won't even try over here. Well, I do have my heated mat on, too, so that probably is helping them be super nice and fresh. All the off-brand green is already cleaned up, short of, you know, everything will need a file in the morning. That. Okay, this one needs to be a side peak. And actually, I'm going to use one of these pinkies because it helps to go one size smaller when you're wanting your side peak to actually, you know, go to the side and not have to clean stuff up. Yeah. Let's clean that side up. Cute. The green makes all these little like leaves and vines pop out better. Okay, middle finger also is the side peak. Which one do I want to use? Let's use this one. This was such a pretty set. I don't know when Flora was from. 19 or 20 probably. 19, I think. Now I kind of want to look it up because I don't see full sets of this very often, now that I'm thinking of it, but I do see twosies of it all the time. And if there's a twosie of it, it means it was a, you know, a full main set. Now I'm gonna have to look that up later. Okay, so we've got a V, a couple peaks. We're going to do another V. You guys, this is the end of the partial party. You can probably... Actually, I think I could use that one. Yep. So now, okay. Nail friend Diane from the Sassy crew asked if I would use the permanent markers on the back of a black and white overlay. So we're going to do that as our first coming out of partial lockdown. We've been in partial lockdown, you guys, for a long time now. Gosh, all of March, and we're a long ways into April, so it's been a long time that we've been living on partials. This is so sticky. Give me a sec here. So that's how we're kicking off. So I have to think which one of the black and whites I want to use. I've got plenty of permanent color to pick from. So that'll be fun. And then what we want to pair it with. We've got all the options, you guys. If you have suggestions or something you want to see, let me know. Right now I'm open to it. Open to whatever. Things I'm definitely excited to use. Lean Mean Tangerine. Oh, I might have an idea using that. Yeah, I do have an idea how we could do some color on some overlays and use some Lean Mean Tangerine. I'm excited to see that one on my skin, to see just how orange they think it is. Because if I hear Lean Mean Tangerine, I expect some orangeness fall. Don't be teasing around with some kind of wimpy salmon. Alright, here we go. So cute. Whoops, now I bent that guy back. Don't do your thumbs, you guys, till last. Come on. We know better. Let me make sure I get these matched up. These are pretty gummy. I don't know if they're pretty gummy as in they were just like that, or if my little hot mat is making them gummy. Well, that was pretty good. Left me with those. I'm going to save those to use on jewelry, though, because they're pretty. There we go. Okay, so again, with that neutral set, how I had my Peely base coat set up worked perfect. And then waiting to do the filing until the next day. And on that set, I wound up not even doing a top coat because there was already 2 layers. So I think that's safe. Well, it was safe. This one, though, I'll definitely use a top coat on. At least those V-tips. These probably too, just to make it nice and smooth. Well, that's a fun pop, isn't it? I wish we'd get a green like that, but not today, Satan. Not today. There they are, ladies. I shall see you this weekend for some permanent marker clear overlay action. Have a good one.